Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss pound US dollar, and if you see on the chart, market went up from my level 1.03649, and on the monthly time frame I'm looking at it right now. It seems like it's clearly approaching 1.3399. Let's see uh, right here the past story, right? And actually, the past story on the monthly was 1.03649. 1.03649. Let's find out that one first. Right, and let me actually complete this as well, like this. The time frame is obviously, let's see, almost like 1st June 2014 till, okay, let's first find out that if this pattern has got completed or not. Let me make a little bit of bold. Okay, it's now visible. Let's change the color as well. It should be fine. Orange. Well, this one, if we see, oh, just have a look at this pattern. So what just happened on the pound dollar was this. See, a very nice ABCD pattern completion. Very nice ABCD pattern. See, this is A to B, point A, point B. This is C, this one. And finally the drop. And just have a look at it. Like the game changers, they already knew this thing. And if we look back in years, like, let me do it once more, till when it occurred or happened, till 1st September 2022. So how much months? Around 7-8 years. 7-8 years, not a very uh like 7 or 8 years. That's a good span or a good time span for investors, let's say. So obviously, like, the market bounces back from there. This pattern is completed. So this is what just happened on the pound US dollar. Now, my friends, let's delete this thing. My friends, since, like, you know why this area is so much important to me. The reason is a very long-term ABCD pattern that is going to complete, like it completed right here at 1.0304, somewhere that zone. And if I show you, there must be weekly patterns or maybe daily patterns right here pointing down at that time. But let's be focused on this story first of all. And let's have a look at it. And let's add a line right here. 1.43721 is a very key resistance in the future. Remember. Reason. I want to tell you the reason why. Just have a look at this and have a look at this. In an uptrend, market took a bounce. It was going very nicely, but suddenly it started to range. The investors thought, oh, what's going to happen? What was happening is break of this, like they were preparing for it. And see where this arrow, like too many things occurred right here. See this one a bounce, this a bounce, then here a break below. See a break below, then a retest and a down move, then again from here a retest till here and then a down move, and from the same level again a down move, and see where it is pointing towards 1.43721, my friends. So for the monthly time frame, now I have marked the support levels, the resistance levels right here. Now as a let's say if I was working somewhere with multitasking, I would say that one thing is already completed, or one task is already completed. I have identified support and resistance levels, right? So now, my friends, I have, and how I found it is definitely by identifying these previous levels and studying this whole, that what occurred right here and how that occurred and stuff like that. We have identified that we have a like 7-8 years worth of this whole move. So from the monthly time frame, I found this data. Now I'm a Fibonacci trader, so obviously here comes my game, like, or I should say my game will begin from right here when it comes to Fibonacci and when it comes to the impulsive waves. See this impulsive wave. See, this is an impulsive wave coming down and is going back up to retest this previous zone. So for me, let's say here you must be confused that whenever like there is a very famous strategy, most traders trade them, even I trade with that very nice strategy. According to that strategy, it suggests a buy from 1.04051 and a close or full profit at 1.43721. But since I'm a Fibonacci trader, my technique is a bit different. Well, obviously it's incomplete without support and resistance levels, but still I will follow my own technique right here, and that will be to for now focus on this 61.8. Now the monthly and the weekly is clearly telling me, not the weekly, sorry, the monthly is telling me that it's going up. Now it comes the story of like the weekly time frame. Till here what I said, I hope you will remember. Let me highlight this area as well. Now let's switch to the daily and the weekly. So what's going on the weekly and the daily is we have got a nice triple top, right? A bounce from this area as well, and it is clearly pointing towards 1.28132. But one problem, and that is we have not got any sort of break above from the level, right? I want to repeat it once again, because if you skip this part, the earlier or the later things that I'm going to discuss in the video, you may not understand it, so I will need your attention for a while. Let me repeat once again. On the monthly time frame, like, I have a clear projection that 1.28132 is the level, though it may go so much up, but for now I am just assuming this Fibonacci on the weekly. Here comes in the price action. Now what the price action suggests? The price action tells us that no doubt on the monthly time frame this is a full corrective wave to the top, to the top up there, or at least till here. But the price action suggests us that we have got a rejection from right here, right here, and right here. So please don't buy me. Did you get my point? So if on the weekly, and this is like the start of the month, right? So obviously seems like in the upcoming week we may see some false breakouts between these two levels. Obviously this will be like, I will be clearly looking for this area for sell opportunities, some nice one. Let's see. So on the weekly it tells me that no, don't buy me. I have just been rejected from a very key level. See, and see this one. So if on the weekly it tells me not to buy and it has just rejected, so why will I, like, for me, I will be trading on the weekly time frame, let's say right here, or maybe I will be trading, let's see how much time frame lower I go and where I stop my analysis, right? Because if it gets too complicated I will try to wind up the session. So but my main goal will be to at least reach till h4. At the moment I am in just weekly time frame, remember. So now let's move to the daily time frame and see. Very nice rejection, very nice and perfect rejection from this level. And not just once it reverses from here, but this is the third time. And what I will do is, obviously I will find my impulsive wave right here. The impulsive wave will have its own 61.8% retracement.